Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going home from Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, and honestly this place was one of the best vacation spots I've ever been to, so I highly recommend it for all of you guys as well. It definitely is a nice spot if it's your first time in the Caribbean. But anyways, I have a bag to check in, so I'm gonna do that first, and I'll talk to you guys again when I get past the security checkpoint or if I have to do anything else. Alrighty guys, so I just cleared security. There was a pretty long line at security since this terminal is where pretty much all the international flights depart, but I was able to get through quickly somehow. Anyway, wow, this is a really nice terminal here. Look at all of these tree decorations. Like, this terminal really has that modern feel. There is a lounge here, which I'll get to in a second. And just so you know, United does not have any lounges here at the Punta Cana airport. Instead, you have a lounge that you need to access with a priority pass membership. In addition to my United Club, I also have priority pass, so we'll be able to access the VIP lounge here in Punta Cana. As you walk in, the lounge is very modern. It has a really nice outdoor terrace area with a pool, and you can literally watch the planes depart while you're swimming. So I'll probably go outside and check that out later. But anyway, here is the buffet. You got lots of options for sweets, as you saw all the cakes and the bread, as well as options for drinks like water, orange juice, and you got rice, eggs, pasta, and lots of things a lounge would normally have. Anyway, let's go ahead and have some of this food. This is actually really tasty, and what better way to enjoy it than with a bunch of planes in front of you. As nice as that VIP lounge may be, obviously I cannot stay there forever. My flight is about to leave soon, so that's why I am here in the gate area. So we're here at gate 23 for this flight to Denver. It is operated by another 737 MAX 8, just like how we were on one coming here. And today I am in seat 35F, a window seat in economy. As you guys know, United's economy seats always have a lot of leg room, a nice full-size tray table. And of course, just like every other seat, you got stuff in the seat pocket like the safety card, the menu, the waist bag, and just all the essential stuff needed for the flight. So this is my window view for the next 5 hours as we make our way up to Denver. So please enjoy everything you see out here. Punta Cana Airport connects roughly 30 countries on the continents of Europe, North America, South America, and of course all the other countries surrounding the Caribbean. Airlines include United, which I'm flying on right now, American, Delta, Air Transat, Wingo, Copa, Southwest, JetBlue, Frontier, Air Transat, WestJet, Air Canada, British Airways, Discover Airlines, Condor, Avianca, Aerojet, which is the official airline of the Dominican Republic. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. Right now, we are currently taxiing to runway 08 here at Punta Cana, which is the furthest runway from the main terminal. Once we start lining up with the runway and rolling for takeoff, all I'm gonna say is please enjoy the views as we depart from Punta Cana. So it's been about 30 minutes since we departed from Punta Cana. The in-flight service still hasn't started yet. Usually it starts around this time. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and check out United's movie selection. They got lots of options for movies, including my favorite movie, Top Gun. So let's go ahead and watch this as we make our way up to Denver. I'm assuming most of y'all watched it, and of course, we gotta have our little movie snack, and in this case, it's a chicken sandwich, not popcorn, but either way, it's still good to have during a movie. If you guys are wondering what I got for a drink, I just got a cup of water, but it took a little bit longer for them to serve this because we were flying through some turbulence, but once it was safe for the flight attendants to get up, I finally got it. After I finished my sandwich and water, I continued watching Top Gun, and by the time I finished, we were out of the Caribbean and over Georgia with about 2 hours and 48 minutes left.
Oh, cafe, corner booth, feels like yesterday, still feels like you. One more sunrise, one more ride. We never thought the years could fly. Take me back one more night, underneath those city lights. Take me back one more time, everything will be alright. Every laugh, every spark.
Alrighty guys, so we have about an hour before we land in Denver. As you guys saw, for the second drink service, I got a ginger ale. That is also the last drink service before we land in Denver. So anyway, as we start our descent in about 30 minutes, please enjoy the views out the window as we descend.
We'll look back and wish we stayed just a little